Hello guys, today in this video I am going to review a website that called Packify.ai, and literally this entire website is literally an online software where you can easily design your packages and any kind of packages, whether it's a jar, it's a box or it's a pouch, each and everything covers there. So link is the description, just click on that and go to the website. First you have to sign up for the use of this website, so you can simply sign up with your Google account or any other account which you want. So as you can see, now we have the many options. Now we will select AI packaging design. After clicking that, we will straight back to the interface where you can see there is the online AI packaging design, and simply we have to give our information. Let's say I'm going to build a packaging for my can, so I have to search kindly make me a cold drink can where Ziam Cola is written and it's in yellow and red color with the fancy text. So we just have to send this message to the AI, then it will start working on it. Now we have already described our scenario to the AI, so it automatically select the can. Now we have to select generate option, and it will start working. It may take some minute to generate the can, so let's wait for this. By the way, on the left side you can see all the information is being tackled, like the elements, the style, the color and the packaging design. So now it generates the can, and look at that, literally these all are very amazing, but I would go with the first one, which is very nice. I can simply download it here or I can simply edit it online. So I furthermore edit it, and I simply explain that add the green lines follow like they should sound cool. So now let's see what will happen. Now asking me that should they be wavy, zigzag or another style. I guess I should go with the wavy one, and let's wait on the middle section. Yes, I'd say yes. Now you can see it already added the wavy lines on the can, and literally it looks very amazing. And now I just want to change the background. I just have to go to the AI background, and then it will automatically removing the background. And for the image, as you can see, it's already removed the background and it's looking very nice. I can adjust the size here or the format, like the 2 bottles, the one is sliding, and 3 bottles. There are literally many background style, like the pure color, minimalism, art space, indoor, nature, floral and many more. I guess the artistic one will be cool for this. Now we have to select that and start generate. It will take some time, and let's see how the results will come. Now you can see that all of the backgrounds are very impressive. You can simply design our poster from this also, or the AI modeling of the package. So now we can specifically select our product or brand and upload an image. So I can directly upload image like the one which S61. It will take some time to upload the image, and we can simply describe the things. Now let's see what results will come here. So it's saying that it will be happy to know the brand or style, and I guess it's a now we have to say yes. Go with red and blue. Now the color composition is already very not good, but let's see which results are come. Now I have to generate, and it will take some time to generate the image. Now we have the JZ design. So let's see what are the outcome. As I already told him about the scenario that it should be a tech product. So now we have the images, and literally as you can see, both of these images are very good, and the last one especially is very good, amazing. Now let's go back to the website, and you can see there are many other packages. You can simply select any of them and redesign them by using your own details, or try to make your own one, which will sound very great, because everyone has its unique idea. We can simply explore anything which we want. It's the category is cosmetic, electronics. Now we have other tools, like especially we can design our own nutrition fact generator, which we can easily put in our packages, like it's all are there, and we can simply put our details like the sugar content and everything, and simply we have to click on the generate. The file will be generated, and we can simply download it as a PNG, SVG or a PDF. Now if we talk about the pricing, believe me, this software is literally free for forever. If you want to design 5 designs per month or 5 edits per month or 1 photograph per month, but the best version is the pro one, which almost take $10 for a month, which you can design unlimited you want. And for the businesses, it's around $30 for the month, and already covering all the things which you want. And if you are a designer, then this website is literally best for you. You can simply check out from the description, and the surprising thing is that you can use my code ZAYAM to get the extra discount. All the things are mentioned in the description and the pinned comment. You can simply check from there. So that's it from today's video. I hope you already got to know about this website very much. If you still want any explanation or the things, you can simply check out their own channel, or you can simply comment on the description and I will try my best to answer you. That's all from my side. Be happy and be positive. Allah Hafiz.